Have you ever wondered who exactly is overseeing the journey back into the community for someone who has been released from jail or prison? It is a crucial role, often misunderstood, but vital for successful reintegration and public safety. Your probation or parole supervisor is a dedicated professional, typically known as a probation officer or parole officer, who works for a state, county, or federal agency. This officer is specifically assigned to monitor your compliance with court-ordered conditions or conditions set by a parole board. The core reason for having a supervisor stems from the fundamental differences between probation and parole itself. Probation is a sentence handed down by a judge as an alternative to incarceration, meaning you avoid prison time under certain conditions. Parole, on the other hand, is a conditional releases from prison after serving a portion of your sentence. Both involve supervision to ensure you are meeting specific requirements, such as maintaining employment, attending counseling, avoiding certain individuals, or refraining from drug and alcohol use. The supervising agency, whether it is a state department of corrections, a county probation department, or the federal probation and pretrial services system, determines who your specific officer will be based on factors like your assigned jurisdiction, the nature of your offense, and sometimes even your specific needs for support services. They act as both an enforcer of rules and a resource for rehabilitation. To find out who your supervisor is, the most straightforward approach is to refer to your court documents for probation or your releases papers for parole. These documents typically list the supervising agency and often provide initial contact information. If that is not clear, you should contact the court clerk for probation questions or the correctional facility's releases unit for parole inquiries. They can direct you to the correct department that handles your case. It is important to remember that these officers often manage extensive caseloads, sometimes overseeing hundreds of individuals. This means proactive communication on your part is incredibly valuable. They are not just checking boxes. Many are trained to help connect you with vital community resources like job placement programs, housing assistance, and mental health services, all of which are critical for successfully completing your supervision period. Building a respectful and open relationship with your supervisor can significantly impact your experience. They can be a key ally in your journey toward full independence, understanding that strict compliance, especially early on, demonstrates your commitment. Understanding who your probation or parole supervisor is and the specific role they play is essential for navigating your post-conviction journey successfully. This professional serves as a vital link, ensuring accountability while also providing potential pathways to resources that support your reintegration into the community. By actively engaging with your supervisor and adhering to your conditions, you are taking crucial steps toward a positive and stable future, moving past the legal challenge and building a new chapter.